Hey everybody, this is an initial review of my Continental Extreme Sport DWS 06 tires in a 275/40/20 size on my Charger. These are a sport all-season tire, and I wanted to go with a sport all-season tire versus a summer tire. These are my everyday tires. I do plan on getting some tires for track events and autocrosses, but I needed something that was able to be driven in cold temperatures down to 20 degrees, because I don't drive the car in the winter, but I do drive it in freezing temperatures. And summer tires, if you drive them in freezing temperatures, you can actually cause cracking and damage in them. So I wanted something that was able to be driven in those conditions. And like I say, I plan on getting some summer tires. We'll have another set of wheels to use for those events. When I was choosing tires, I wanted to find something that offered performance and, the ability to drive in the cold temperatures. The main tire that I was comparing this with, or the two that I was deciding between, was this tire and the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Pluses, which is their all-season sport tire. I had the AS3s on a 2013 Chrysler 200 before I owned this car, and I really liked them. They were very responsive handling, and I was overall pretty pleased, so that's what I thought I was going to go with. But these Continentals are less expensive than the AS3s, and I did a lot of research on reviews. I looked at Tire Rack, looked at their reviews, and read people's reviews that had purchased these tires. And the consensus kind of is these have better wear than the Michelins. They ride a little bit better than the Michelins, but they're not quite as responsive, and they don't have quite the amount of grip as the Michelins. But the other thing too is the Michelins get really noisy as they wear, and these, they get a little bit of noise, but it seemed to be not as much so as the Michelins. And there is a price difference. These are a bit cheaper than the Michelins, so I chose to go this route. I've had them on for a little over 2 weeks, and I will say huge improvement over the stock RSA2 Goodyears in the 245/45/20. Way more grip, way more acceleration grip, cornering grip, wet weather grip. Just overall an improvement, and believe it or not, these tires actually ride smoother than the stock RSA2s did. These, that's the first thing I noticed right when I got on the freeway after having them installed, was how much smoother that they rode. So that is a definite improvement as well. So I will use these for some of the colder weather track events, and probably, since I don't have my other tires yet, when I am able to run a track event this year, I will do it on these tires. So I'll report back after that. But so far, very pleased, and I will say that the upgrade to the 275 square is a big upgrade. It just makes such a difference. I mean, the car acceleration grip is improved, and cornering grips. I'm really excited to see how it does when I'm able to really push it. The stock Goodyear tires, I'll give them this much, they could take a lot of abuse, and they wore pretty well, but there just wasn't much for any grip. I still had 7/32 of tread left on them, and they just, no grip. And as far as like hydroplaning and wet, these tires are so much better than the stock RSAs. I did get a chance to drive in the rain, and I purposely tried to accelerate. I didn't give it full throttle, but I was aggressive on the launches, and I was really pleased with how it hooked up. Another interesting thing, and I hope the camera will pick this up, is as you're monitoring your wear, there's a DWS in the tread here. I hope it's picking it up. So when the S's wore out, that means they're not good in snow. When the W's wore out, that means they're not good in wet. And when the D's wore out, they're not good in the dry. So they rate these as a 50,000 mile tire. I don't expect to get that out of these. A lot of people 25 to 30,000 miles seems to be. I mean, it could be less depending on how aggressive you drive, if you're not able to rotate them. But so, I mean, I don't have the expectation that I'm going to get that kind of mileage out of them. But no, I'm definitely pleased with them, and I would recommend them if you're looking for, you know, an affordable, good quality tire that offers good performance. Thank you for watching.